What's going on in northern Gaza? On October 6, the Israeli army launched a ground invasion and imposed a complete blockade on Jabalia refugee camp, Beit Lahia and Beit Hanun, where more than 400,000 residents are trapped. Hundreds of civilians have been killed according to Gaza's health ministry. Numerous bodies have been left uncovered and unclaimed on the streets of Jabalia, as medical crews are unable to reach them. To separate northern Gaza from the Gaza city, the Israeli army is utilizing military vehicles, drones, and sand barriers. On Monday, Israeli army shelled a food distribution center in Jabalia refugee camp, killing 10 people. Last week, the Israeli army ordered the patients and medical staff to leave 3 hospitals in northern Gaza: Kamal Adwan, El Auda, and the Indonesian hospital. After several days of siege, people have started to run out of food and water, according to appeals made by civilians and aid groups. The second phase of polio vaccine campaign is underway for more than 500,000 children in Gaza, but those in the north are not able to receive it because of the siege. In light of the deteriorating situation, the US has warned Israel to increase the amount of humanitarian aid it allows into Gaza within 30 days, or risk losing access to US weapons funding. Humanitarian aid groups fear Israel is trying to starve civilians to force them to leave their homes in northern Gaza. Hundreds of thousands of civilians are unwilling or unable to leave their homes in northern Gaza. Without humanitarian aid, they could be left without food, water, medicine, and fuel.